As a Jumia seller, you make money by listing and selling products on the Jumia platform. You earn revenue from each sale after deducting Jumia's commission and other fees. The more products you sell, the more money you make. Registration and setup. Sign up. Go to the Jumia Seller Center and create an account. Provide information. You'll need to enter details like your business name, contact information, and bank details for payments. Verification. Jumia will verify your details before approving your account. List your products. Add products. Log into the Jumia Seller Center and list the products you want to sell. Product details include high-quality images, accurate descriptions, prices, and specifications. Pricing strategy. Research similar products to set competitive prices while ensuring a profit margin. List your products. Add products. Log into the Jumia Seller Center and list the products you want to sell. Product details include high-quality images, accurate descriptions, prices, and specifications. Pricing strategy. Research similar products to set competitive prices while ensuring a profit margin. Optimize your listings. Product titles. Use clear and descriptive titles. High-quality images. Upload professional and attractive photos. Keywords. Use relevant keywords in your product descriptions to appear in searches. Manage orders efficiently. Order notifications. Once a customer places an order, you'll be notified via the Seller Center. Package your products. Pack the products securely to prevent damage during transit. Shipping. You can either drop the package at a Jumia warehouse or arrange for Jumia to pick it up. Receive payment. Payment cycle. Jumia typically pays sellers on a weekly or bi-weekly basis after deducting commissions and fees. Monitor earnings. Track your earnings and orders through the Seller Center dashboard. How much can you make? Your earnings depend on product demand. Fast-selling items generate more revenue. Profit margin. Calculate profit after deducting Jumia's commission and delivery fees. Volume of sales. The more items you sell, the higher your earnings. Example: if you sell a smartphone for $100 and Jumia's commission is 8%, you'll receive $92. Subtract your product cost, say $70, and your profit would be $22 per unit. To know more about how to make money on Jumia, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share.